Good evening, class. My name is Batir Carrera, and today I will be presenting an architectural issue on functionalism because we need it. How many times do you hear about people suffering from natural disasters and then wondering, what can be done about it? Huh? Well, unfortunately, the answer is very complicated, and there's no answer that's going to immediately resolve that problem. But as architectural practitioners, we understand that with a little bit of collaboration, time, and effort, we can actually figure out a way to shape the future to be more bearable when these problems occur again. And we do this by incorporating functionalism in our designs. Functionalism is the key that separates architecture from basic art because it takes a visually appealing design and it gives it a purpose. You can turn a structure into a shelter. And this is a very key component to why functionalism is needed in more practical designs. In the early 2019, the world was presented with a pandemic that no one was prepared for. COVID-19 was introduced in China and it quickly ravaged the globe. According to the data provided by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, just in this span of a year, over 33 million American lives were infected by the pandemic. And although this was in a very unfortunate turn of events, it was very impressive to see how hastily architectural teams were able to come up with a functional design to help those in need. On the bottom right here, I have a clip about a hospital located in Wuhan, China that was constructed in merely 10 days. And within these 10 days, the hospital was able to aid over 1,000 Chinese citizens. And it's because of designs like this that we're able to help mitigate the damage of COVID-19. If looking a little further, how about other types of natural disasters? Areas succumb to climate change that left a huge number of people being forced to migrate away from their homes. It's up to functional design to solve ways to shelter these families in time of crisis. A project done by IKEA was able to create a cost-affordable home for nearly $1,000 that could be constructed within 4 hours and yet provide electrical shelter to families of refugees and immigrants. The design was so successful, it was even awarded Best Architectural Design of 2016. As far as functionality concerns, it was a huge success. So, in conclusion, there are many natural disasters occurring around the world, and there are many people in desperate need of solutions. And as architects, it's our job to make sure the designs that we come up with serve a functional purpose so that we can cater to the needs of individuals, maybe not necessarily for natural disasters specifically, but just for the benefit of society overall. Because with a little thought put into our designs, we are capable of constructing a very bright and prominent future. Thank you for your time.